Hello, welcome back to Mridula's nursing tutorial. Together we are strong enough to eradicate coronavirus by following these simple steps. They are wearing mask, maintain social distancing and frequent hand washing. Hand washing is the most important, but it's effective only when we follow the steps of it. We have 7 steps for hand washing. I would like to explain it today. First one is rinse the hand and take sufficient solution. The second step is rub palm to palm. In the third step, rub right palm over the left dorsum and left palm over the right dorsum. Then rub palm to palm finger interlaced. Fifth one is interlocking the fingers. In sixth step, rotation of thumb in both the hands. In the seventh step, rub with the clasped fingers of the right hand to the left palm in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, then vice versa. Then you can wash your hands, then dry it with a clean towel. Thank you.